Welcome back to Anua Enlightenment. Today is lesson 7 and it will be on names of domestic animals wala Lääy mo paac. If you are new here, my name is Omat and I am glad to have you on board. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and invite your friends to this channel. Learning objective. Today you will learn the names of domestic animals in Dha-Anywaa and learn how to spell and read names of domestic animals. Today we're going to learn the names of the following domestic animals in Dha-Anywaa: cat, dog, goat, sheep, cow, donkey, horse, and camel. A, D, U, R, R, I, adurre, cat, adurre, cat. Much like in North America, cats in Africa are only useful for catching mice. G, wi, o, ki, gwok, dog, gwok, dog. Dogs are very useful in Africa. Along with being companions, dogs also keep home safe from intruders. More importantly, dogs are used for hunting antelopes. The most popular dogs in Africa are those with slender, long legs because they are fast. D, I, E, L, dial, goat, dial, goat. Goats are used for their milk and meat. R, O, O, mi, O, Ramo, sheep, Ramo, sheep. Sheep are useful for their milk and meat. D, I, E, Ng, Diang, cow, Diang, cow. Cows are used for meat and milk. Also, when men marry, cows along with beads called mui are usually used to pay dowry to the woman's family. Nowadays, the payment of cows as dowry is being largely replaced with money. A, R, E, E, N, G, O, O, Ng, U. Aren or gangu, donkey. Aren or gangu, donkey. Donkeys are useful for carrying heavy loads. O, ki, wi, e, e, ny. Okweny, horse. Okweny, horse. While horses do exist in Anua society, they are not as common as donkeys. Horses are used for carrying people and heavy loads. Okweny is also another name for a bike. A, T, I, R, O, O, N. Atheron, camel. Atheron, camel. Camels do not exist in Anua society. They are usually found in the dry parts of Ethiopia, in the north and east. They are used for carrying heavy loads. Thank you for tuning in to Anua Enlightenment. For questions or lesson requests, please comment below or reach me at anywaenlightenment@gmail.com. For this lesson plan, the activity that I want you to do is for you to answer this question. What other domestic animals do you know? Write their names down in Dha-Anywaa. Please remember to come back to this channel every week because a new lesson drops every week. See you in the next lesson.